and welcome to Maths Help Online. In this episode we will be looking at the discriminant. If you didn't know, the discriminant is the part within the square roots of the quadratic equation. It is b squared minus 4ac when the quadratic is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. But what can you do with this, you may ask? Firstly, you can find out how many roots an equation has. If the answer to the discriminant is positive, then there is 2 roots. This is because when you plus or minus the square root, it creates 2 different values, which are the 2 roots. Next, if the discriminant is 0, then there's only 1 root. This is because plus or minus square root of 0 is the same no matter what the operation is. Finally, if the discriminant is less than 0, then there's no real root because you can't square root a negative number. But when will you use this, you may ask? Well, you can get a question that looks like x squared plus kx plus 4, and may be asked to find k. If you get this question, it will tell you how many roots there are. Firstly, what you do is you put everything into the discriminant. This will get you k squared minus 4 times 1 times 4, or k squared minus 16. We can make this relative to the number of roots. So for 2, it's k squared minus 16 is greater than 0. For 1 root, it's k squared minus 16 is equal to 0. And for no root, it's k squared minus 16 is less than 0. You can then factorize the quadratic inequalities to get k plus 4 and k minus 4. Let's use 0 roots for this example. So k plus 4 in one bracket and k minus 4 in another is less than 0. To express this, you would use minus 4 is less than k, which is less than 4. To find out how to do this more, watch my video on graphic inequality when it comes out. That is all for this episode of Maths Help Online. Leave suggestions in the comments and have a nice day.